Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing October's Boxy charm. I have it right here. Let's see what I got. And this is the theme. It's called Spellbound. It's like a witchy theme. I don't know if you can tell. It has sage and candles. It's very witchy, like Halloween themed. I'm excited about that. Okay, let's see what's the first item in here. This is Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette. It's a highlighter palette. It's very pretty. The few things I've tried from Beauty Bakery I love. So let's see. Okay, I think I could use this one. And then the other two are deeper. Let's try this now, because I don't have no highlighter on. Mix these two here. Oh, Jesus, that's blinding. I couldn't see it. Oh, Lord, that's a lot. I couldn't see it because of the lights and... Oh, yeah, it's there. Let me use this on the brow bone. It is very bright. Let's see what else. Got Laura Geller. This is Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. Hydrate, moisturizes and replenishes. How to use: apply to clean skin after your normal skincare routine and before your makeup, or wear it alone for a natural dewy look. Ooh, dewy primer. Moisturizing dewy primer. I'm not gonna use this because I don't like nothing dewy. My face is extremely oily and I have to avoid anything that's dewy. So I'm gonna put this aside for another giveaway in the future, because I know I'm not gonna use this. Okay, let's see what else. Resurfacing face serum. Another face serum. I have so many face serums that I don't know how I feel about this one. Let me show you the inside. It has vitamin C, it exfoliates and stuff like that. I don't know how I feel about this because I really have a lot of serums and I never get to finish them, because every time I halfway I get another one or another skincare, and I have so many that I don't know how I feel about that. Let's see what else. Kinder Beauty Lip Mask, hydrating lip mask. So that's good. I mean, I have dry lips always, so I could use this. And the last item in here is, I assume these are makeup remover towels. Another product, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this, because I tend to avoid these type of makeup removers because they usually irritate my skin, or if they're sensitive to the skin and leaves my skin really oily, or I have to struggle a lot and scrub my face really harshly to remove the makeup. So I've never had any type of good experiences with these type of removers, so I don't know how I feel about this one. I'm gonna try it out anyway to see if this one changes my mind, but I've tried many brands and none of them have worked for me, so let's see if this one works. So that's it. No palette in here. Everybody's getting the Ace Beauté palette, which is beautiful, and I wanted that, and I got this. I'm angry. The highlighting palette, I'm not a highlighter enthusiast. I don't really care that much about highlighters, so I'm not really that excited about this. I may use it occasionally. I mean, it is blinding, but I'm not into blinding highlighters anyway, so I don't know how I feel about this box. I don't really, this is, well, I mean, it's a lip mask, I guess a nighttime routine. I could wear this to hydrate my lips, or if I'm not wearing any makeup. The serum, I have so many. I'm gonna put this aside for a giveaway also, and with the primer of Laura Geller, because it's dewy and I don't like nothing dewy. So honestly, I'm very, very disappointed in this month's box. I added everything inside the box, every item, and it comes out to $180. I paid $30 and I'm not happy with none of the items. So for me, this is a miss. I do not like this month's box. I've seen a couple of unboxings. Mine was very different this time. And I think that's why I was expecting something else and I didn't get it. I got that and I'm not excited about it. Let me know what you got in your Boxy charm. Did you get the Ace Beauty palette? I'm eager to see if I'm the only one who got this different type of box. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload. And if you like videos like this, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Did you get the Laura Geller? It's not the Laura Geller. Oh, this is inside the product. And I can see by the card that it's like a witchy thing. Can't speak today. It's like a witchy.